Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Varsha Konte, and our subject name is General Knowledge. So, let us start with Good Morning song.
Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm fine, let's play.
Welcome back to our class. Children, before we start our lesson, let me ask you some questions. Look at this picture. Now, tell me, what can you see in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of sky, right? What did you see in the sky? We can see the birds are flying in the sky, right? Children, do you know some birds' name? The birds are different types and color of in this nature. Birds have feathers and beak. They have two legs. Some birds can fly high by using their wings. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about birds. Our today's topic name is birds. So let us start. This is a crow. Crow is black in color. Next is pigeon. Pigeon is grey and white in color. They love to eat seeds. This is a parrot. Parrot is a green in color with a red beak. Parrot can talk like us. Parrot love to eat chili. This is a sparrow. The sparrow eat small grain. It is brown in color. This is an eagle. Eagles are large powerful birds. Eagles have excellent eyesight. Next is an ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but it can run fast. Now, which bird is the next? Any guesses? Yes? Yes, this is a cock. A male chicken is called a cock. Next is peacock. The peacock is one of the most beautiful bird. It has a long, colorful tail. Did you all know the peacock is our national bird? Yes, the peacock is our national bird. This is a duck. A duck lives in a water. The duck eat fish and frog. This is a swan. It has long neck. Swan lives in a water. And our last bird is vulture. Vulture is a large bird. They fly high in the sky, searching for food. Okay, children, did you all understood? Birds? Okay, very good. Now we will revise it again. Repeat after me. Crow, pigeon, parrot, sparrow, eagle, ostrich, cock, duck, peacock, swan, vulture. Okay children, hope you all understood our birds topic. So revise the topic at home. Bye bye children, take care.